Hey, how's it going? Mike here with some more Inventor stuff, and today we'll be looking more in depth at custom drawing templates. And the best way to learn is with an example. This is a template I made a while back, and probably the first thing to notice here are the prompted entry inputs here. But we'll come back to that. Generally, the first thing to start off a drawing template is the title block, which can be edited through the browser here. Edit definition. So, as mentioned in the last video, the text here can come in two categories. Those are labels and properties. Labels take the text you give them, and properties remain blank until their inputs are determined. So, the properties, they come in several different types, as you can see from the menu here. The model properties are the general information about the part or assembly. Drawing and sheet properties are pretty self-explanatory. We have prompted entry inputs, like we saw earlier. We have specific properties for piping and sheet metal. And then finally, the physical properties of the part or assembly. And beyond the categories, you can also edit the size, shape, and font of the text up here. So once you have the title block to your liking, the next step in the process of the template is to specialize the style. So everyone has their own preferences on how to display dimensions, notes, tables, and stuff like that. And the way to do that is under the Manage tab and go to the Styles editor. So the Styles editor stores the information for all the defaults your drawing will have. Inside you will find the mother load of properties which can be changed. So to create a new style, which you can customize, go into the category you want. So I'll just go into dimension. You right click, new style, and give the style a name. It's a good idea to have all the categories for each style similarly named. So say I wanted to make the precision of the dimensions really high, I could go into the precision and do just that. And also say I wanted to change the size of the text to make it huge, so I can go into the text and make it huge. So those are the basics on how to edit style. I encourage you to play around and try different combinations of things. Now, to make your new style the default for your template, you need to specify. So under the object defaults over here, you need to specify which style in each category you want to use. So as you can see here, these ones are custom to the template. And once that's done, you're going to need to create a new standard up top. So you create the standard, you go into the object defaults, and change it to the default that you just created. Once that is done, the template will use the styles you specify for all the categories. So play around with this, find what works for your purposes, and once you have the template finished to your liking, save the file and copy it into Documents, Autodesk, Inventor, templates. Boom, there it is. So as always, I hope you found this video helpful, and I've been Mike, and I'll see you next time.